So today we are going to see how to do the CO attainment calculation. For that, I have taken one course here. The name of the course is Antennas for Mobile Systems, which is an 8-semester elective course. You can see in the background that there are 11 students in this particular course, and the different assessment components, especially the test components. You can see the IA1, IA2, there are two tests conducted. Then in both the tests, you can see the questions that are asked from 1A, 1B, 2 up to 6B. So these many questions have been asked. Similarly, for the IA2 also, we have got some number of questions here. So now what we have done is that we have mapped the questions with the COs. So initially we have defined 6 COs for this particular course. Out of the 6 COs, CO1 and CO2 have been mapped to IA1. So the different questions of IA1 have been mapped to CO1 and CO2, whereas CO3 and CO4 were covered for internal assessment test 2. So this is how we have done. So also you can see here the marks allotted to each CO in this column. So for CO1, question number 1A, it's an 8-mark question. Like that, how much marks that are assigned to each question, that is also has been given. And the total marks for that particular test is 45. So now what I'm going to do is that you can see the student frames are here. This student has written this IA1 question. For this IA1 question, out of 8 marks, how much mark he has scored? That is noted here. So he has scored 8 here. Similarly, he has attended one B, for which he has scored 6 marks out of 7. So then he has not attended 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Then he has attended question number 4A, which is also mapped to CO1, and he has scored 1 mark out of 8. Similarly, for 4B, he has scored 4 marks out of 7. So like that, whatever questions the students has answered, those marks have been tabulated here against that particular question. So similarly, we have done this mark entry for all the 11 students who are taking this particular course. So this is the exercise we have done. And in this column, you can see, in this particular column, you can see the total marks of each student. Okay, out of 45, how much they have scored. That is also shown here. So we repeat the same exercise for the test 2 also, IA2 also, we repeat the same exercise, and the total marks are shown here. Okay, so this is how we have prepared this table, and this has been done in a simple Excel sheet. Okay, so now let us go to the second slide.